Salamat sa ikalawang linggo ng Advento. We have lit the second candle. The first candle is the candle of hope. That is what the season is all about. The season of Advent is hope. Laging may pag-asa. And then we talk about the second candle of peace. But before that, remember, Advent is the coming of Christ. Yung pinag-usapan natin last week, hindi lang yung unang pagdating, yung unang Pasko, kundi sa muling pagdating, the second coming. It is about coming. So Advent, kung tutuusin, hindi lang naman itong panahon na ito Hindi lang naman yung Advent season Kasi pagkatapos ng Pasko, hinihintay pa natin yung second coming Kaya dadating yon, di ba? Kaya it is a never-ending Advent season sa totoo lamang. Kasi naghahanda tayo sa kanyang muling pagdating. Kaya araw-araw hinihintay natin. So, let us not lose hope. It is the night, the kind of hope that will prepare us anxiously awaiting for His coming. Like a lover meeting the beloved. Not out of fear, but out of love. Kasi ang hirap, hinihintay ko dahil sa takot. Ginagawa ko itong bagay na to dahil sa takot. Yun ang motivasyon natin dahil sa takot. Ayoko pumunta sa impyerno, ayoko parusahan. But it is very difficult if we do things out of fear. Let us do things out of love. Kasi naghahanda tayo, Naghahanda tayo para makasalamuha ang Panginoon Diyos out of love. And that is why it is very important to have His presence. The second candle is a candle of peace, kapayapaan, Again, we need peace now very, very badly because of the war in the Middle East, Iba-ibang yugto ng Middle East, different parts of the Middle East, in Ukraine, in our West Philippine Sea, and peace in our hearts. But peace is not just the absence of war. It is not absence, sa totoo lamang Peace is about presence, the presence of Christ. That is what peace is. Kasi kahit na walang gera, pero yung ating kalooban, yung puso natin, di ba, gulo-gulo, daming hindi makatulog, worry, abalang-abala sa maming bagay, it is because Christ is not present. So peace, as we like the second candle, is not the absence of war, but it is presence, Christ present. But this is why, hopefully, as we enter the season, this is the second week of Advent, pagpasok natin sa Advent, we come out, lalabas tayo, bagong tao. Hindi na pareho pa rin, Nakapagsisi na tayo, nakapagbalik loob na tayo, at naihanda tayo. At salamat sa Diyos sa paghahanda na ginawa ni Juan Bautista. Sabi niya, tuwirin ang mga daan, yung mga lubak-lubak, mga bako-bako, patagin, yung mga liko-liko ituwid, So, ang pangunahin tao na naghahanda sa atin, si Juan Bautista, para ihanda ang dadaanan ng Panginoon. So, that is His role. Nawa tayo rin, makinig sa paanyaya ni Juan Bautista, tuwirin natin yan, nagpapasalamat tayo. Ilang taon ng bako-bako itong ating singgalong, Salamat sa Diyos na hindi na siya bako-bako. Salamat sa Diyos sa maayos, So we thank God sa mga nag-ayos niyan, sa nagtuwid ng ating tumulong sa pagtutuwid sa ating buhay, inayos yung mga bako-bako, Sana tayo rin tumulong sa pagpatuwid ng ating kapwa. Sana tayo rin tumulong sa mga bako-bako, Tuwirin natin yung ating buhay. Hindi madali, pero sa biyaya ng Diyos, kaya naman Wala naman imposible. So, humingi tayo ng tulong sa Kanya sa pagtutuwid na ito. This is what the season is all about. This is what the season is all about. Again, as we talk of pagtuwid, it is His presence. And it is very, very difficult to enter, as always, it is very, very difficult to have the Advent season kung saan there is unforgiveness. Kaya sa pagsisisi natin, yung mga hindi pagpapatawad, hingin natin ang kapatawaran sa Panginoon Diyos at sa tulong ng Kanyang presensya, because of His presence, makapagpatawad in order for us to go back to that peace on this second week of Advent. the importance of peace again. No? So it is His presence that will liberate us from every darkness that hinder us, nagiging hadlang, naging liko-liko. Ito yung mga bagay-bagay na itinutuwid natin sa tulong ng Panginoon Diyos. As we celebrate the second week of Advent, we thank God for this grace. We celebrate tomorrow the Feast of the Immaculate Conception kasi dapat December 8 ngayon, hindi ba? Normally, we will celebrate this great solemnity of the Immaculate Conception. But because of the second Sunday of Advent, which is very, very important, we will move that tomorrow. We honor our Blessed Mother tomorrow. Again, ang ating holiday of obligation, Christmas, New Year at December 8. Pero bukas, because it is a work day, because of the busy schedule, the local church has allowed tomorrow not to be a holiday of obligation. But of course, we encourage you, please come and join us in celebrating this great solemnity of the Immaculate Conception. We thank God for this reminder. We continue to wait eagerly for His coming, not out of fear, but out of love. We wait and prepare. We prepare, seriously prepare for the coming of Christ. Amen.